Selection of marketing research supplier. These are the factors which are considered by the clients for the selection of a marketing research company to give them a marketing research project. A reputation. B. Number of projects completed. C. Completion on schedule. D. Quality of projects completed. E. Has the firm done similar projects? F. Personnel. Technical, non-technical expertise. G. Client service. Communicate well. H. Cost. Competitive bids. I. Remember, cheaper bid is not always the best. J. Cost and quality be compared. Careers in marketing research. 1. Vice President, Marketing Research. 2. Research Director. 3. Assistant Director Research. 4. Senior Project Manager. 5. Statistician, Data Processing Specialist. 6. Senior Analyst. 7. Junior Analyst. 8. Fieldwork Director. 9. Operational Supervisor. 10. Fieldworker. Ethics in research. 1. Ethics towards client. 2. Ethics towards profession. 3. Ethics towards respondent. Successful marketing research. Successful marketing research is decision-oriented. Marketing research should be undertaken when it is likely to reduce uncertainty of decisions. There is no use of doing marketing research if it does not provide any input in a marketing decision. Marketing research is considered successful if it is relevant, timely, efficient and accurate. A. Relevant. Marketing research should be undertaken for solving some marketing problem. It should support some strategic or tactical marketing planning activities. In new circumstances, new research should be considered for decision. Marketing research should not be undertaken only to satisfy curiosity. Be timely. Marketing decisions are usually fixed in time and must be taken according to a schedule, and relevant information should be made available before time. If a product is to be launched in November, research on its formulation, name, advertising, price, etc. should be conducted in time, that is before November, so that it can be successfully launched in November. There is no sense to conduct research after November. Timeliness of marketing research is necessary. See efficient. As stated already, each research is undertaken to reduce some risk in some decision. If it is unfortunately wrong, it will cost the company some money, which will be in the form of investment with regard to the decision. E.g. development of a new product, selection of a new market, signing new channel of distribution, etc. At the same time, each research has incurred some costs that you spent on field work, data analysis, stationery, report writing, etc. Research is efficient if the cost of the research is less than its benefits. If the cost outweighs the benefits, then there is no use of research. It is unwise that you should spend 3 million rupees on research to reduce a risk which is worth only 2 million rupees. D. Accurate. No research is better than the accuracy of its data. Timeliness, relevance or efficiency should not be compromised on accuracy of results. Methods and procedures of research should be such that they reduce the biases and help ensure the accuracy of data and analysis. Ethics in research. There are many ethical behaviors that the researcher should display while conducting research, but there are 3 specific ethical responsibilities on the part of the researcher which can be classified as ethics towards clients, towards respondents and towards profession. Ethics towards client. Ethics towards client demand that the research supplier should not share the results of the research with any other firms, particularly the competitors of the client. As the client has funded this research, so the client has the sole right to take benefit of the results of the research. As such, the findings of the research should not be shared with anyone else. Ethics towards respondents. Ethics towards respondents demand that the data provided by the respondent subjects of the research should be kept confidential and should not be reported with the name of the respondents. Right of anonymity of the respondents should be safeguarded. Ethics towards profession. Ethics towards profession require that the researcher should be true professional. The researcher should follow the code of conduct of the research profession. The researcher is morally obligated to provide unbiased research design, honest and objective fieldwork, and appropriate and meticulous analysis, regardless whether the clients know about these standards or not and whatever the client's expectations are. The researcher should also perform all research activities completely as agreed upon with the client. For example, if it was agreed upon that 1,300 questionnaires will be distributed to collect data, the questionnaires should not be less than 1,300, otherwise it will amount to cheating and dishonesty. Research process. Research process can be viewed as series of steps observed in research. These steps are combined in some researches. However, following are 10 steps in the process of research. 1. Establish the need for marketing research. 2. Define research problem. 3. Establish research objectives. 4. Formulate research design. 5. Determine types and sources of data. 6. Determine sample size and select sample. 7. Design data collection instruments. 8. Collect data. 9. Analyze data. 10. Prepare and present research results. Let us understand that generally the steps are followed in the above sequence, but it may not be followed in the exact order as given above. The researcher may move back and forth as he or she discovers new things in the process of research. Let us discuss these steps in brief. 1. Establishing the need for marketing research. The research is always undertaken when there is need for information to solve a specific marketing problem. That is, when a marketing manager needs some information to facilitate a marketing decision. There is a management dilemma, a problem or an opportunity which needs to be assessed before establishing objectives for that opportunity. For example, decline in share of market is a problem. Opening a fast food restaurant where there is already no one within a radius of 3 kilometers is an opportunity. Marketing research could be conducted in both the situations as there is genuine need for information to make necessary decisions. A good monitoring system can establish the need for marketing research. Such a monitoring system brings operating information to management. A good monitoring system will alert the marketing manager about the problems that can be tackled with the help of marketing research. This system will inform the marketing managers about the changes that are occurring in the environment, the performance of the sales force, and competitive moves. If the information is readily available, there is no need to do marketing research. Due to use of information technology, much of right information is readily available through databases or websites to the decision maker. Likewise, when there is not enough time for marketing research due to competitive pressure or some other reason, this does not justify undertaking marketing research. Similarly, if sufficient funds are not available, research cannot be undertaken, or when cost of doing marketing research outweighs the benefits, it is quite unwise to do marketing research. Marketing research should be considered only on justifiable grounds. When there is a genuine need, marketing research should be avoided if information needed is already available. B. When time is enemy, time is short to meet the deadline. C. When funding is not available. D. When cost of doing research outweighs the benefits which will accrue from the research.